once you download it, once you download the files, once you download it, it is and then let's do this. Let's go inside the body. Let's give the body a padding. Fireworks, those are fireworks. So give the body a padding of, let's say, 1 rem on the, and then for the ULs, we're going to say list style type and set it to none, so that it gets rid of, so that it gets rid of the bullets. So when you go into this folder, we get the assets, the design, and then we get a bunch of other files. And we're going to take a look at these files in a moment. But first of all, I just want to mention, and we're going to take a look at these files in a moment. It is just the default application that we have when we create a new React application. And I'm running my server already on localhost 3. And I'm running my server already on localhost 3000. And in the mobile design, so that's looking easy enough. We can close this. What we're going to do though is this. Oops. Let's just leave that. What we're going to do first is I'm going to create a new file, and my computer just hung. This is what I have to deal with. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now let's go ahead and create our piece of data. So I'm going to say, let me call this components is equal to an array of objects, and then I just want to reference the name of the component. So the name here is going to be nearby. Sorry, it's going to be nearby, so it's a component, so nearby. And then just do this 2 more times. So select this and say shift alt and down 2 more times, change this to favorites, and then change this to recents. Now always remember that when you're creating a piece of state like this and you're referencing React components, then always import React on top. Let me say that because a child was screaming outside. When you're creating a piece of state like this and you're referencing React components, always make sure that React is imported on top. Otherwise, it's going to give you an error because JavaScript doesn't understand where this is coming from. So we need what? We need this SVG. So let me go ahead and say, actually, we also need this image. I downloaded this image, and then just to specify this, I mean the font weight is already going to be bold because they're headings, and because we only have one font for this one and because we only have, and then now this part we don't